Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the color drawable resource in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Eclipse Edit bundle I already open, and here I already open the our device. So what is a process? So yes, you have to know in window menu and select Android Virtual Device Manager, select your AVD, start and launch. So I already complete this process and our device is ready. So I take as minimize, and now second step in file menu, we can take as new Android application project, and here we can give like res resources and cd means color drawable resource. So my already I take like simple color string array spinners dynamic and static move, and then style. So number of resources I already take, but here color drawable resources I take in this session. So yes, that work page folder is perfectly selected. Next, that icon and background color you can also change, but here I not require blank activity. Yes, that perfectly selected. And main activity, that is our Java, and activity underscore main, that is a XML based our layout file in Android. So finish. So that's some take process, and now yes is open. So yes, first step what to do. So here we can, there are two way all resources in Android you can apply in two way. First static and second is a dynamic. So when you can apply the static way, so you can use as an XML file. So here we can apply, and you can go through the dynamic. So you can apply in Java file, and Java file is src and then package and main activity dot Java file. So we can apply to coding as dynamic to in this file. So first step, yes, we can apply as a static way. This same hello world. This I use this string, but we can take that text size to more, so we can visible. So let us take. I first step take text size. So that is a, you can provide the text size and can give the 20 dp independent pixel. So that is a perfectly. So look now that is hello world. So you can look now that some visible. So what to do? So here we can uh, change that background color. So that is a color drawable. Simple color is not applied. That is a four color. But where first we can take one XML file. Yes. So here you can list that res folder, value folder. There are three dimensions, string and style, but that not color. So I first step how to create XML file in Android, that I cover. So right click as value folder and go first in new, and then Android XML file. And then here you can resource type. So here you can look like drawable, menu, color list, property animation, twin animation. So all are that are resource type. And here that our project that perfectly selected and are resources. So that is a root directory or root element, and here we can give like color. So that is a color, and next. So there is no any change and finish. So you can look our color.xml file is created. And now what to do? So here we can take in root directory resources, and then we can take as drawable. And drawable we can first take that is name, or we can say that id, and we can say that color c1, and then we can like some hexadecimal value. So like 00 and 4f capital. So that is a shine color. Yes, that is a prefix. You can search in the Google internet. So uh, color code of hexadecimal, so that give one table. So that is a predefined table is there. So now I can copy, yes, here I think that copy or paste. So that is a c2 that id, and we can take like first 4 and after 20. So yes, 20. So that is a we can say that yellow color. So let us check. We can, yes. So how to create the XML file? Yes, in Android. So right click in value folder and then new and take Android XML file. So color XML dot, and now we can apply C1. The C1, that is a shine color to our hello world. So that is a text view. So we can go in XML file and here we can apply, yes. So after this text Android color, yes, that we can take as a background color. So background and then control paste bar. So you can look here drawable, yes, that is a color drawable resource, and you can look here, that is our name. So C1 and C2. So we can C1 color 1. So now I can save and then look our graphics tab. So you can look, that is a shine color background. So yes, that perfectly. So that is the first part of the color drawable resource. So any, that is a background color, that is a not a simple color drawable resource, and that is first technique we can complete, and that is a static way we can apply. Now what to do? So now we can apply as a dynamically way, runtime. So we can take code in Java file. So yes, first I take other that is a like we can take as a large text view. So that is a perfectly. So here that is a large text view. Yes, here both are text view. So there is a no any typecasting error. So we can take anywhere. And first I can change that ID. So here we can, that is a large text. Yes, here is there. Let us check. So yes, here large text. So here I change that ID. So txt, and we can say that answer or any ID. So txt is a prefix. And now what to do? So we can go in Java file. Yes, and here first we can take as a reference. So text view. So control paste bar library. So that package is automatically important T1. And now what to do? So first T1 find view by ID, that is a method of activity class, and return is a view class. So r dot id dot, that is ID is also one resource, and txt answer. And what to do? So here typecasting, because that return data type is a view parent class, so we can need as a typecasting. And now how to set? Yes, here very important. So first, yes, I first is a full screen. So yes, double click, and that we can take as a color drawable, that is a class. Yes, you can look here, not a simple color but color drawable, that is a resources. And then I give the cd, that is a just reference. And what to do? So here we can use this dot get resource. Yes, that is a method of uh, context theme wrapper class. Okay, and then we can take, yes, that is a get drawable. So you can look here, that is a get drawable. Yes, so that is a method nesting we have to. And then we can take r dot, yes, and drawable, that is a color drawable. So we can take as a drawable, and then our id, that is means that c2, now yellow color we can apply. So that is perfectly. And yes, you are taking error. Why? Because that is a return data type is, that we can see, that is a needy as a typecasting color drawable. Why? So let us check. So this return data type is a drawable, and here we can take as a color drawable. So that is a, yes, you can look here, that is a android.graphics.drawable.color. So that return parent class. So just here, like in find you by, we can typecasting. So here is also need the typecasting. So perfectly. So our ID is get in the CD. So color drawable resources. And now yes, we can apply to our text T1. So we can say that set that background drawable. So yes, here simple background and color background, and you can look here, there is third method, and set background resource, that four method overloaded. Same name is a name, two name is same. Yes, that is overloaded, but here is a different set background drawable. And then we can take a CD. So that is a yellow background, but that is a yes deprecated. So you can look here, that is a just warning. And save, yes, control S, and you can also press this button, save all. And now in design time, that not display, you can look here, I check, yes, graphics view. So yes, in this text box directly effect, but the large text yellow is not background color. Why? Because that is a dynamically runtime we have to check, because that is a code we have to apply in Java file. So that is a effect in the runtime. And static way, that is effect is a directly, because we can apply in the XML file, and which we can apply resources in Java file. So that is a runtime effect, and that is known as a dynamically way. And that is a XML file that known as a static way. So now I think you have to understand. So what to do? So yes, we can run our apps. So yes, res cd color drawable resource, right click, run as Android apps. So let us check. So our device is ready, and here takes some process. So yes, that apps is running. So wait a few seconds. Yes, and that taking, yes, I take as back button. So that is perfectly. So now yes, that is gone. And yes, so let us check. So I think that is a take some time. Yes, now that is appear. You can look, that is a large text, that is yellow background. So yes, that perfectly. So let us I revise what is in this session. So first in this session, that is a color drawable resources. First in hello. Yes, here that is a apply static way. So I just revision what is in this session. So first hello world, and that we can take one file value, that right click and Android XML file in new option, and color, that give the name color.xml. And then we can take two color drawable, yes, not here color resources I already take in my video lecture. So here hexadecimal code, so that is a shine code of hexadecimal, and that is a yellow. So C1, C2, that is a name, or you can say that ID. And first technique we can apply as static way. So go in XML file, and here you can look that background on at the red drawable and C1. So that directly affected, because that is a static way. And now second technique in this session. So first we can text T1, and that is a taking r dot that txt answer. So we can give that is find you by ID, and typecasting needed. And then color drawable cd, that resources, these dot get resources dot get drawable r dot drawable dot c2, and then typecasting, because that is a written is a drawable, and here color drawable, so typecasting is needed. And set background drawable, that method, and cd we have to pass, so that we can effect as a runtime. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. That is a color drawable resource in Android. So both way we have to take in this session. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakadi. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.